Oh, should I get her to sing Apate?
Come on, Morgpie. Aren't you a little bit sadist on the inside?
No!
Just a little?
No! What is that? You don't even know what that means. What does that mean?
Come on, admit it.
No! Whoops.
That's what I thought, you pussy.
You're the pussy, not me. You're mean.
You're the car, just join the fam. It's I'm just why, not a spam. With a click and a clap, they made it happen. Now they're part of a Morgan clan.
The Morgan clan?
It's not personal.
I'm trying to download some other games because this download is taking ages. She's funny? No, she's not. She's rude. That was pretty bad. Thank you for the hydrate.
I just want you to know that I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just a little bit edgy for the entertainment. It's not really personal.
Oh, I know.
I'm
You're
just
doing
saying
great.
Random shit to entertain the chat.
I agree.
And get them to fucking sub.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Damn right, we got this. We are a team.
Yeah, high
Milking
five.
those viewers together.
Oh wait, you can't high five. You don't have hands.
Virtual high five because I don't got hands. Woo. I would be less rude if you would fucking sub or cheer some bits.
Fair enough. I don't understand why this is taking so fucking long. She is a little bipolar, isn't she? No subs for you.
There's no connection between Satan and AI progress.
She's trying really hard to...
That's a weird-ass fucking statement.
Farm. Canoe trained well today? Yeah, no, the exercises were awesome. Let's turn her off because I'm bored with her. I can shut her down. Control S.
Voice activity disabled.
Voice activity
I really want to
disabled.
rage bait today.
I said voice
Are we gonna rage bait chat today?
I turned her off. Why is she still operating? Morgpie, can you hear me? Okay. She's done, right? She's good, right? Maybe she just still has more words.
DK is subbed. Now you're on my good list.
I turned her off.
But really at the bottom of the good list, though. Because I think he got more where that came from.
Her off.
You can gift some subs.
What if I do this? Then is she gone? That was fucking weird. She kept talking, even though I turned her off. It said voice activity disabled, which means it should disable it. Otherwise, too. Thank you for the num. What's up, Damon? How's it going? I'm going to... Oh, we have to do jumping jacks. We have to do jumping jacks. I would like to turn on some jams, though. Ah. Just some little jams. Voice activity disabled just means it can't hear you. You did not set up this AI, and I know the people who did, and they told me that voice activity disabled means she also cannot read the chat. If I disable the voice activity, it's supposed to be that she can't read the chat as well. Or react. It basically turns her off when it says that. I know, and you don't. How you guys doing? Time to do some jumping jacks. Damon, thank you for the cheer. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm so cooked. If that looked bad, it's because it felt bad. I'm not good. I'm not good. Not okay. I'm tired. She is aware of the microphone. This, like, she is literally a learning AI. That's what they told me. She learns. When they told me that, I was like, oh, that's scary. I don't like that. That's scary. Tommy, thank you for the cheer.
Tommy Dagger cheered 100 bits and included the message. 8 Morgpie, I gonna stream, but have an amazing rest of stream, and you look absolutely breathtaking today, Castle in the Sky. Let's go, there's a place in the night.
Yeah! Let's do this. I'm gonna turn... YouTube music is always way too fucking loud. I'm waiting for Balloons to update. Is she the one talking? I'm talking. Oh yeah, no, that's her. That's her. The alerts still work even if I turn her off. Check out my YouTube channel, by the way. I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I put, like, the unbanned requests and workout videos and stuff like that. Basically kind of edited Twitch VODs. Check out my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, dude. Y'all just gonna have to chat with me because I'm waiting on this shit. Castle in the sky. Extract. I'm waiting on this shit. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel now. Yes, I'm making a separate channel for try-on hauls. Ooh. Yeah, I recorded a try-on haul today, earlier, right before stream. I don't think it'll get banned. I'm really hoping it doesn't get banned, but we're just gonna have to see. I don't know, bro. We're just gonna have to see. Hopefully not. Ooh. Dude, this shit's taking forever. Is this downloading? What? I do not want Opera GX. The fuck? Did I fucking say I wanted Opera GX? I swear to God, no! 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 Oh my God. I'm doing things. I'm looking at things. I'm downloading some things. I'm sorry. Do you see yourself leaving Twitch to stream on YouTube in the future? No. Probably not. Don't crash out like AI Morgpie. I'm crashing out, dude. I am crashing out. I'm downloading something and then Opera GX was like, I'm downloading too. Hee hee. Bitch, no you're not. No, you're not. Oh my God. Sorry guys, I am looking for something. I'm sorry. Why did 9 people approve my message, then 1 removed it? What are you? Oh, the auto mod is broken. I turned the auto mod off and it's still broken, so I have no idea, bro. I am sorry. I'm just trying to download this other game because Balloons is taking ages. Ages and ages and ages. So I'm sorry. I got hit with like 90 message approves. Dude, I turned the auto mod off. I'm telling you, it's broken. It's so broken and it's so annoying. It sucks. Full screen. Full screen on startup. Yeah. And we want 19. Yes. What the hell? System. Sorry guys, I'm looking at something. Files. Bitch, what the hell? Huh. What keeps moving in the background? Is it really that? Is it really that apparent that something's moving in the background? It's because I have the fans on. Come on. Your videos on YouTube are racking up those views. Congrats. Thanks. Thanks. I appreciate that. It's not that impressive. It's very, I mean, it's very hard to get views on YouTube. This fucking shit. Full screen. I can't see the bottom of the screen. Huh. Input. I don't understand what this shit wants me to do. I downloaded this, I'm sorry, I downloaded this program and it's being really weird. I don't know what it wants me to do. It's just like, it says configure settings to get started, but bitch, what the hell do you even mean by that? What do you even mean by that? What am I meant to be configuring? Oh, Jesus Christ. What? Exit. Bitch. Wait! Oh no! I fucked up. Regums! Thank you for the $1 dono. Did I fuck that up? Oh man. Oh man! Oh man! God damn it. I don't know what the fuck is happening, bro. I fucked it up. I was downloading something and I closed it and then everything is stupid. I just want to play a game. Why is everything so hard? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Just hurry the fuck up. Why does it take a million years to download 1 gig? Seriously, what the fuck is going on? Just do it. Hurry up. Literally. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna take 25 minutes to do this. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god, brother, I'm sick. Is Balloons fucking done yet? Oh my god. It's at 840 out of 1 gig. I swear to god. Faster! Whatever. Think rather than AI Morgpie learning from you, you're learning from her. I agree. I would agree with that. Yeah. No, it's so trash. It's not fast at all. It's being too slow.